So we're here. I got Ozzy over there. See him, bruh. You got Temi here. You got Seth. Up there, we're going up there.
On the cliff.
The cliff. So, we're playing a game here, and we got our things here. We got our stuff here. And we're gonna go all the way up there. No one is watching over those things. No one is watching over them. We're just gambling at this point. Got some Jaffa cakes.
Do you watch the match last night?
Which one?
England won.
Yeah.
England, Mexico.
I watched like bits and bobs. Yeah. Was moved to because of the weather. It's crazy.
So we can do like a couple of B-rolls here.
B-rolls, yeah.
Yeah, then we'll just go straight there.
Okay. Shush. I got the Hollywood director.
Hollywood Walk of Fame.
Yeah. It's got a star over there. It's got a star over there. Yeah.
He said,
Yeah.
pull up with the drum.
Don't be scared, bro. You only live once. So what is gonna happen is Joseph is gonna use his drone. He's gonna use his drone, and yep, the cliff edge.
Where we going?
Yep, if it drops, it drops. Ozzy is sorting this out.
Droney. Yeah, that's the Droney. So if you start it from here and choose Droney, it will go. Come back.
Joseph is scared. He's got how many percent? 37?
52.
32. Bro,
Yeah, you might have.
it was 37 like 2 seconds ago.
How many meters?
Right.
4 meters.
Yep. It's going.
It will come
It's
back.
going.
It's windy.
Yep. Bye. Joseph has been strong, I swear.
I have to. Scary, but
That's hundreds of pounds.
That's it back already.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Bro.
Is it just 4 meters? Hold on. Okay, let's make it longer.
how many meters?
We can do 10 meters.
10 meters, okay.
So it will go a bit farther.
Bro doesn't want to take that risk.
It'll be fine, don't worry.
No, it's the wind. I can see it shaking already. I can see it shaking.
You can see it shaking.
I can see it.
Joseph was like, yeah, I can see it shaking. I can see it shaking already. This World Cup, World Cup every time, there's always this country, like someone or people are focusing on, you know, the underdogs, yeah. But this one has been surprising so far. I mean, that guy was, how many followers did he have before the tournament started? Like 50K?
Something, yeah.
Yeah, it was like K, yeah, it was K. And now he's over 20 million. Bro. Yeah. And his story is a nice one. He's over 40 years old. I mean, 40 or 41. So I got Ozzy here. And he's gonna give her the word of wisdom. Drop us one, bro. Drop us one. One gem.
Always leave her on red.
Right.
Wow.
Always leave her on red.
Always leave her on red.
But I thought we were talking about tips on how to be successful.
I got nothing.
Always leave her on blue. Bring some food, bro. Bring some food. Bring some food.
Is that toilet open?
Alright.
Something, snack, chicken, anything. Bring some food.
Okay.
All right. All right, see you soon, bro. So Dennis went home. He said he was going to bring his pet, but now he's having some food, and we're here hungry.
Having food.
He's having food. Betrayer of the highest order. So we're going back to where our things are, and hopefully our things are still there. We've been gone for like how long?
Over 30.
Oh, over 30 minutes, bro. Over 30 minutes. Oh, our things are still here. Rah. Canada are out, yeah.
Yeah, Canada.
Mexico are out as well.
Canada, Mexico. So they have like the both only host countries.
Yeah, Belgium will show them how it's done.
Nah, they need to get the US out.
Belgium will show them it's football, not
Although
soccer.
Belgium struggled with Senegal.
They're struggling, can't lie, they've been struggling like for the past few years, but they should still be able to get it done. I wasn't planning on vlogging today. We came for Joseph. After here, we're gonna go get some food. We've got Portugal, Spain playing. Personally,
Couldn't believe she said 60.
Personally, I'm supporting Spain to win. Let me know who you're supporting to win.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, you get what I mean. I think my vlog ends here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for enjoying. Hopefully you did enjoy that. Thank you for enjoying that.
5 minutes later.
Remember in Montenegro when we were trying to make that. How many takes did we even do
For which one?
for the drone stuff in Montenegro?
Like 3? I think so. Have you ended it? Stay like that. Then you guys start it, then you guys move towards each other now.
I just shoot. I fumbled that. I swear.
Yeah, that's yours, yeah. Lamb souvlaki, that was for you, mate. There you go. And we've got a chicken souvlaki over here with some chili and garlic sauce. Is there anything else I can get for you guys?
That will be all.
All good? Enjoy.
Thank you. Okay, then move towards me. Ready? 1, 2, go. That's very basic. Are you sure that's the one you want?
Right.
But you could still walk though. You could still walk.
Let's try it.
Okay.
So do I move? Do I do anything?
You could do like all like
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Right.
Okay. 1, 2, go. So
I think that's
stay like that.
Yeah.
Do the next one. Then you move towards me when I say go. Okay?
Bounce. 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 I go in and out like it's fast food. Ask my mama and she tell you that I'm that dude. I got platinum cars, but it's still cash rules. Still with wifey, she's been here since I was bad news. Eat, work, gym, that's my day to day. I told you when I showed, so please don't ask my ETA. Beating up these beats, I swear it's been BTA. And I've been saying how I feel so much, don't need no PSA. Keep telling you it's real, but they